I'm going to show you how to take in men's dress pants waist at the back seam, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Alter your own clothes and save a bundle. Here's the fast version how, so you can get a quick overview. Detailed version link in the description below. At that back seam, the first order of business is you need to detach the waistband from the back seam, and here's what it looks like inside out. So there's many and varied ways that it is attached. Here's one way. Take the seam ripper and get it apart so that once you have done so, the inside is revealed as one continuous seam, which is the beautiful part about taking in men's dress pants. It's one long continuous seam. Now, if you're letting out, you draw the chalk line towards the seam allowance. If you're taking in your pants, you're drawing your line inward on the other side of the original seam. So run your seam, whichever it is. In this case, we're letting out. I like to double stitch for reinforcement. Take out the old stitching, and then we've got to get that waistband back together, which won't be probably like the manufacturer did, so stitch in the ditch. A lot of times when letting out, you can see the old stitch lines. Those go away in time and with good pressing. But here we are, all finished. Won't that man be pleased? For some of you, this quick version will be enough demonstration to run with. Otherwise, check out the link in the description below for the detailed version.